Good evening everyone. My name is Vedas. I am from SP Global Solution and my trainer name is Dinesh sir. Today I am gonna explaining about events in JavaScript. First of all, events. Events is nothing but changing of stack in element is called as event. In this events was performed by event handler, and event handler is nothing but the process of changing stack into element is called as event handler. In these events there are four types. First one, mouse event, and second one, keyboard event, third one, form event, and fourth one, document event, or we can call it as window event. These four are divided into events and we can see one by one. And first one is mouse event. In this we are used only with mouse buttons, and in this mouse events again they are classified into some types. We can see it is a table, event, an event handler, and description. And first one is click event. Click, it is an event, and which one this want to perform, we want to use event handler as on click. This will be used when the cursor will be clicked. On the time only this event will be performed. We want to click on the we want to click it to perform it. And the second one is mouse over, and the event handler is on mouse over. Here when the cursor will be on the element only. And third one is mouse up, and the event handler will be on mouse up, and the description will be when the mouse button is released. And next one is mouse down, and event handler will be on mouse down. Here also same, mouse button, when we pressed the event will be performed. And final one and last one is mouse out, and event handler will be out. Here when the mouse cursor is far away from the element. This is about mouse events, and we're gonna see about the second one, keyboard events. This keyboard event is nothing but only performed and based on only key buttons, only by used only key buttons. In this there are two types, key up and key down. And event handler, description, key up, and the event handler will be on key up, and the description will be when the keyboard button is released, and key down, and again the event handler will be on key down. Same when the key button is pressed. And next one we're gonna see about form events. Form events there are of four types. One is focus, second one is blur, third one is change, fourth one is submit. Event handler and description. First one is focus, and event handler will be on focus, and the description, here the user is performing and working on the element. User is working on the information, and second one is blur, and event handler will be on blur. Here the user will be far away from the data, far away from the element. And next one is change, event handler will be on change. And finally here the data, anything we can change, the data will be changed. You can want to change what the data is, anything. Finally the last one is submit, and event handler will be on submit. We can all submit the data here. This is about form events. And finally the last one is window events, or we can call it as document event. In this window event there are of two types. One is resize event and second one is load. First one is resize event, event handler description. First one is resize, and the event handler will be on resize. Here the page will be minimized or maximized by using this resize. Minimized or maximized by using this on resize event handler. And the last one is load, on event handler will be on load. Here the page will be load before the data provided. Finally these are window events.